7 unique and mouth-watering healthy dinner recipes under 15 minutes. Tired of the same old boring dinners? Wish you could whip up delicious and healthy meals in minutes? Today, we're taking you on a 15-minute culinary adventure with 7 unique and mouth-watering healthy dinner recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Welcome to Health Sabs. From savory delights to sweet treats, we've got you covered. Recipe 1, Grilled Octopus with Chimichurri Sauce. Ingredients: 1 pound octopus, cleaned and cut into tentacles. A 1/4 cup olive oil. A 1/4 cup freshly chopped parsley. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. What value does it add to your health? Octopus. A low-calorie and lean protein source rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can support heart health and brain function. According to the American Journal of Cardiology, omega-3 foods are known to support cardiovascular health. Chimichurri sauce. Packed with fresh parsley, a good source of vitamins A and K, important for healthy vision and blood clotting. Recipe 2, Spicy shrimp and pineapple skewers with coconut rice. Ingredients: 12 large shrimp, peeled and deveined. 1 cup pineapple chunks. A 1/4 cup coconut oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon Thai red curry paste. 1 cup coconut milk. Salt and pepper to taste. Value addition: shrimp. Packed with lean protein and essential minerals like selenium and iodine, supporting healthy thyroid function and immune system activity. Pineapple. This tropical fruit is a great source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and fight free radicals. The Journal of Food Research International presents a comprehensive review of pineapple benefits, its impact on human health, and how it promotes healthy functioning. Coconut rice. Coconut milk adds a creamy texture and healthy fats. While moderate in consumption, these fats can contribute to a feeling of satiety and provide a sustained energy source. Spicy elements. Chili peppers or red curry paste used in the marinade can boost metabolism and have anti-inflammatory properties. Recipe 3, Roasted vegetable tagine with chickpeas and quinoa. Ingredients: 2 cups mixed vegetables, carrots, zucchini, bell peppers. 1 can chickpeas. 1 cup quinoa. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 onion, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon Ras El Hanout spice blend. Value addition: roasted vegetables. A rainbow of roasted vegetables provides a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for overall health. Chickpeas. A plant-based protein source rich in fiber, which can aid digestion and promote feelings of fullness. Quinoa. A complete protein grain packed with essential amino acids, making it a valuable source of plant-based protein. Recipe 4, Baked cod with lemon herb butter and asparagus. Ingredients: for cod fillets, a 1/4 cup unsalted butter, softened. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon freshly chopped parsley. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 pound asparagus, trimmed. Value addition: cod. A low-fat, white fish rich in protein and vitamin B12, important for energy production and nervous system function. Lemon. A source of vitamin C and adds a bright flavor to the dish. Asparagus. This green vegetable is a good source of vitamins C and K, and offers dietary fiber. Recipe 5, Lentil and mushroom curry with brown rice. Ingredients: 1 cup red or green lentils. 1 cup mixed mushrooms. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 onion, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon curry powder. 1 can coconut milk. Value addition. Lentils. A high-fiber legume packed with protein and iron, is essential for oxygen transport in the body. Mushrooms. Contains vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins and potassium, which support healthy blood pressure. The Journal of Nutrition in Summit Proceedings discussed mushroom benefits and its role in improving overall cell functionality. Brown rice. Whole grain rice is a good source of fiber and complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy. Recipe 6, Grilled Chicken Shawarma with Tzatziki Sauce. Ingredients. For chicken breasts. 1/4 cup olive oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 cup Greek yogurt. 1 cucumber, peeled and grated. 1/4 cup chopped fresh dill. Value addition. Grilled chicken. Lean protein source with minimal fat, supporting muscle health and satiety. Tzatziki sauce. Greek yogurt offers probiotics, which can benefit gut health. Cucumber adds hydration and a refreshing element. Recipe 7, Vegetable and bean chili with sweet potato. Ingredients. 2 cups mixed vegetables, bell peppers, carrots, zucchini. 1 can black beans. 1 large sweet potato, peeled and diced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 onion, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 can diced tomatoes. Value addition. Black beans. A plant-based protein source rich in fiber and antioxidants. Sweet potato. A good source of vitamin A and beta-carotene, important for healthy vision and skin. Vegetables. The variety of vegetables in the chili offers a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Wow, that was a whirlwind culinary adventure. We hope you're inspired to whip up some of these delicious and healthy recipes in your kitchen. For more delicious and healthy recipe inspiration, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which recipe you're most excited to try.